Good morning, children. Welcome to fourth session of fourth chapter time series. In last session, we did sums of least square method. Now in option to that, in 5 marks sum in board exam, that is this method, which is called moving average method. Very important and very easy also. So let us start sum based on moving average method. Now this is moving average method where we are supposed to find 3 yearly moving average. Now in this 3 types of sums are, one is 3 yearly, next to that is 5 yearly, and next to that is 4 yearly. Now today we will do it in this session, that is 3 yearly moving average trend, how we find. Now in question, years normally will be given or sometimes direct T also, and Y values will be given. Now here, like from 1983 to 1992 years are given. So we will give as usual T, which we start with 1, 2, 3, 4 this way, and it comes up to 10. Now Y is already given. Now in this, very simple only calculations are there, which are in 2 parts only. First we will calculate, that is 3 yearly moving totals, and finally 3 yearly moving average. Now how we find this 3 yearly moving total? First 3 years, but in that average of that we are supposed to find. Always remember, for this, the first year and the last year calculations won't be there. Now, first, second, third, this 3 years average obviously we will write in the middle one. So, will be in, that's why here in first year we put dash, and in second year we put the totals of first 3 years, that is 12, 15, 18. This way. Next to that, now we skip 12 and we start with 15, 18 and 16. This way, in middle one, we write the totals of the 3 years, 12, 15, 18, then skip 12, 15, 18, 16. Now we skip 15 and next will be 18 plus 16 plus 20. This way the totals of this we will do it up till the 91, that is 9th one. Last one we will skip. Now our next will be after 15, 18. Now we skip 18 and we will start with 16 plus 20 plus 24. Next to that will be, we skip now 16, we start with 20, 24 and 22. Next, now we skip 20, we start with 24 plus 22 plus 25. Now again, we skip 24, we start with 22, 25 and 28. Now finally we skip 22 and last will be 25 plus 28 plus 26. So this way, first number we started from here 12 and last 26 also is included in the second last. Now we write the totals of these all, which will be 45, 49, 54, 60, 66, 71, 75 and finally 79. Now our next step will be 3 yearly moving average. Now this is only totals, these are not average. So for average, normally how we find average? That is sigma xi by n. Now this is your sigma xi, that is 45, 49, and n is in these all the cases 1, 2, 3. So our 3 yearly moving averages will be 45 by 3, 49 by 3, 54 by 3, 60 by 3, 66 by 3, 71 by 3, 75 by 3, and finally 79 by 3. Now this way the averages which we will get in this, that is 15, 16.33, 18, 20, 22, 23.67, 25, and finally 26 point. Here one is missing, so 54 by 3, that will be 18, 60 by 3 will be 20, 22, 23.67, 25, and 26.33. So this way, which 3 yearly moving averages of from 1983 to 1992 separately will be these all, and this is because of 3 years averages are, so we find with this way where the 3 years totals and then we divide by 3, so averages we find. So simple only calculations. If you do without calculations, full 5 marks you will get for this answer. Now this is the homework for today, where 5 sums are there. All 5 sums solved with 3 yearly moving average method only. So this is end of 4th session of 4th chapter. See you in next session. Thank you.